Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting video. I have Melodysusie nail accessory box. This is a monthly subscription. I am so happy to have this. Just a FYI guys, this box is $49.99. They do offer monthly, 3 months, 6 months, or yearly subscriptions. I did just show you guys all the different social media websites that Melodysusie have. You can follow them. So I'm just going to pull stuff out as I see it. I love pink. I get so excited when I get Melodysusie stuff, just for the simple fact that you guys know I am a pink girl. So the first thing I see when I go into this box are these beautiful stones. These stones are so cute. I don't have anything like this in my collection, which brings me to this point here. Oh, wait, guys, I wanted to show you what it say at the top. Open your new nail art journey. So I wanted to touch on how great it is to get monthly subscriptions. And I'm not just saying this. I was a monthly subscription hoarder when I used to collect makeup, just because you get a chance to try different variations of things that you possibly would never purchase, and or it's an easy way to build your nail collection. So here, the first thing I am going to show you guys. Presentation is everything. I love the way they have everything packaged up. Like I said, I don't have anything like this in my nail collection as far as stones are concerned, but I wanted to take them out so you guys can see how pretty they are. They're like a smoky iridescent stone. They're really cute, lightweight, not heavy at all, super cute. You get different shapes. You get stars, ovals, hearts. So really dope to have in your collection. And yes, I put everything back the way it looked, just because everything looks so pretty. So the next thing I got here is a nail bit. It does come with a dust saver. If you guys aren't sure what that is, it's just a red thing that go around. Sometimes they come red, pink, or black. They go around the nail bit to help dust not get inside your drill. So here, like I said, presentation is everything. Look how cute the packaging is. This drill bit here is great to clean up your cuticle. And again, I don't have this in my collection. I have a ton of nail stuff. If you've been following me for a while, you guys know all I do is shop for nail products. So straight off the bat, the first two things that I pulled out the box are things that I don't have in my collection, which I'm really, really excited about. So there it is. I just wanted to give you guys an up close picture of what that looked like. And no, I didn't put that back in the package, and I'm going to get rid of that. So the next thing that I have is a 3-piece nail art set. So I really never have high hopes when it comes to nail art brushes. I have a few, and when I say a few, a little bit that I actually like. These were actually really cute. The handles are very lightweight, and the brushes are thin, but they're not flimsy. I can't wait to use these. I'm actually going to use these in upcoming video that I already have recorded, so you guys can see how well they work. The largest one, let me just say, this one right here, I'm in love. Really, really, really nice. I was happy to get these. So I was really happy to add that to my collection. Another thing I was really happy to get, and I know I keep saying this, but I just was so excited that everything I was picking up I don't have in my collection. So I have a ton of nail files, but I typically purchase nail files that are square. For no particular reason, it's just what I started out with. So I was happy to get some nail files. You get I believe it's 4 or 5 pieces in there, and they are round. So again, that was something that I did not have in my collection. I was extremely happy to have. I believe that's 180 grit, and that's exactly what I use. So the next item I have here is for press-on nails. So let me just say, if you're a beginner nail tech and you are looking to build up your supplies, this is perfect. The box is $49.99, and so far it well exceeds, if not almost double that price with things that are in here. Can I just stop and let y'all see how cute the pink is? Like, really, you get the pink. Melodysusie, one thing I can say, they pay really good attention to detail. Like, I love pink. If you love pink, then you would definitely like a lot of these products that came inside this box. Next, I have this 6-piece caviar bead set. I do have caviar beads already in gold and silver, but I do not have any colored caviar. So the first one here is that purple color, which is really cute. Here you have a sea green, really, really pretty. Next, we have this aqua, or if you want to call it turquoise color here. Really pretty, really nice if you want to do some mermaid nails. It almost looks like under the sea. And here, this color here is like a fall burnt orange. Next, we have this pink color, really pretty. These have almost like a shift of bubbles, so to speak. And I think they match well with those rhinestones that I showed in the beginning. The last one is like a white color. So here for me was like one of the stars of the show. I like that they gave you the press-on nail stand, also with the putty for the press-on nails. And now they gave you press-on nails. These sizes do go from 0 to 11, which is great. A lot of nail tips stop at the size 10. I'll pull one out just to show you guys they are square and they are like a 2x length, which is perfect. So if you wear short nails, you can manipulate these and cut them down. And if you already wear long nails, voila, they're already long. I thought this was really dope just because a pack of nails like this, a 500 or 550, I have to look, I'm not sure how many come in it, but it's definitely 500 or more. This bag of nails can easily be $20 all by itself. So last, here is a nail clipper. So I wanted to open it and make sure it was durable just so I can let you guys know. It is metal. It's not flimsy. The grip on it is really, really nice. So I was excited to get this. I have shied away from using nail clippers, but I'm glad I have it. I think it's perfect, especially when you are doing press-on nails. So of course, I have to stack everything back in the bag. Presentation is everything. I was excited to get everything, and it is worth the $49.99. Like I said, those tips by themselves can be $20, $25 depending on where you purchase them from. So here's everything. I will leave the link for this box down below. I do believe I give you guys another close-up just because I was so excited about this box. I'm so corny. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will check you guys out in my next video. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Bye.